TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 12. You get the NASDAQ flat. S&Ps are off 2. Gold contracts trading down $6.50 at $11.84. We have a silver market down 13 cents at $16.44. You get the platinum down 370 at $9.20 an ounce. Copper is getting toasted, roasted after a huge run. That's down 7 cents at $2.58 a pound. Light sweet crude also getting toasted, down $1.86, $45.21 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note, down 6 ticks, 125.14. 30-year bond off 7 ticks, 153.15. Both the notes and the bonds are rejecting lower price. They go slightly topside yesterday with some juice behind them. You can expect the notes and the bonds to go to higher price, lower yield. And what's it all about, folks? King dollar. King dollar just can't handle higher price. King dollar is down 23 ticks. It was up 200 ticks. You're trading at 101.350. King dollar actually is doing a small ABC structure on the way down that will bring it back inside the 100.660 level, which would be a false break topside, which in the next 6 or 7 months will bring good old King dollar down to 91. Pretty wild. Euro's trading at $1.06, and you got the yen out here at 112. We go take a look at the S&P. What you have with the SPY is this. You're inside window dressing. Bottom line, market's having a tough time catching a bid. We're at 220.39. The number to keep your eye on the SPY is 219.60. Dow Industrials, that number, by the way, that's the August 23rd high. That's what we broke out of. Dow Industrials, that's 19,086 right now. Now, that has a long way to go down to get back inside its lower range, which is the 18,668 number. The composite, we take a look at the composite. That's also hanging at its highs up here. You're flat, you're down a buck. The composite, the number to look at the composite is the 53.42. That's 25 points lower. The NDX 100 is the number, man. The NDX 100, folks, can't handle higher price. The high, it hasn't made the high number 1, which is 49.11. You start rolling over there yesterday. No buyers up at this level, and I expect you're going to see that NDX 100 more than likely lead the market into lower price. Because if the market can't catch a bid in window dressing, guess what? That bid's not going to come in. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold, once again, rejected lower price. Has lighter volume, all of the above. Didn't take out the lows that were established last week. Gold wants higher price. We've done 25,000 contracts out here. You got to a low out here of 1179. The low of last week was 1170. Bottom line, this is building cause to get up into the 1218 area. Silver, we take a look at the silver market. What do we have with silver? Silver's got to a low today of 1639. Same type of setup as gold. Didn't get down to the lows of last week. The lows of last week inside the silver market was $16.15. You got down to $16.39 today. Rejected it. You're going to have lighter volume. Bottom line wants higher price. And what's it all about? It's all about the dollar, folks. Bottom line, the dollar's going to rock, roll, do all the above, and throw some heavy selling into this market. And this is what you have. So the dollar broke out at 100.660. It's been in a consolidation since March of 2015. Gets over the price. Nice run. Could have been an ABC structure on the way up to the $113 level, but guess what? Can't handle it. What you have now is that you're setting up a small ABC structure on the way down. Bottom line, you get the GDP number come in this morning. Bottom line, good GDP number. Dollar spikes. Guess what? You get sellers in the dollar. I expect this dollar is going to start making its way down to the 99 point. And bottom line, the correlation, it's an inverse correlation right now. As that dollar backs down, the market starts taking conniptions. What I expect you're going to see here is this. You're going to see lower S&Ps, Dow, NASDAQ. You're going to see higher bond prices, lower yield. You're going to see lower dollar prices. Bottom line, failure inside the dollar in the next few days. And this is a window dressing, which is pretty intense. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.
The path of least resistance.